You have to be a real loser to use a screen protector with your new iPhone. What is up guys, my name is Chase, and I don't know, I thought I'd make this video because I recently picked up the iPhone 14 in blue. So far so good with this phone. And I thought I would just show my little process of applying a new screen protector. This is just a random screen protector that I got off Amazon. It's from amFilm. I believe this is the same company that I use for my Nintendo Switch screen protectors. For a while, I was very much against screen protectors. That was until I believe the iPhone 10, when after like a year or two, my screen was just ruined. So after that, I decided I'm going to start using screen protectors as much as possible. I do love when companies give you like an application kit, like that is so helpful. So we're gonna wipe down the screen with the wet cleaning cloth. Oh, they even give you like a little thing for the cameras. That's interesting. See, what I've always like kind of worried about with screen protectors and stuff is that if you put something on top of the screen, is it gonna like ruin the quality of the screen, you know? Is it gonna like make it all blurry or something? Or like I won't be getting the full resolution of the screen, which is honestly fine by me, but I don't know, putting it on the cameras I feel like might actually affect the cameras, you know? Here's our wet wipe. Oh, it smells like a wet wipe. You know that like chemical smell whenever you open any wet wipe? I like this because they give you a really big dust remover sticker thing. So you can just put it on top of the whole screen. That's nice. So pull the tab downwards to remove the mask. We pull this off. Oh my god, I'm so scared I'm gonna mess this up. Okay, I think it's lined up. Wow. I think it's on. I can't even tell. That was very seamless, I'm surprised. And there's no bubbles, it looks pretty much perfect. How funny would it be if there wasn't actually a screen protector on? But I think I see it. Can you guys see a screen protector? Because I can't. I guess that's it. Nice. Good job, amFilm. Very easy. I don't know how to end this video, so thanks for watching. What a waste of everyone's time. Okay, bye.